So, it's your first time driving in the rain. Breathe. Don't panic. I've got you. Here's some advice every new driver needs to know when it starts pouring. Number one, slow down. Okay, rain makes the road slippery, especially in the first few minutes after it starts. Drive slowly than usual and keep a safe following distance. Number two, turn on your headlights, not your brights, just your normal headlights. It helps you to see better and lets others see you. Number three, no sudden movements. Avoid hard braking or quick turns. Gentle steering and slow braking are your best friend when it's wet. Number four, watch out for puddles. They might look small, but could be deeper than you think. Driving through them fast can make you lose control or splash someone walking by. Number five, keep your windows clear. Use your defogger or aircon to keep the windows from misting up so you can see clearly. And lastly, stay calm. If visibility gets too bad, pull over safely and wait it out. There's no rush. Better late than never. Driving in the rain can be scary at first, but with time and practice, you'll get used to it. Remember, confidence comes with experience and safety comes first. Arrive alive in these rainy times.